Hello, this is Abhi from RiPixel, and today I will show you how to delete Google Photos without deleting them from phone. But before getting into it, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more helpful tutorials. So, first, if backup and sync is on, deleting a photo from Google Photos will also delete it from your phone. To keep photos on your device, you must turn off backup first. Simply open Google Photos on your device, then tap your profile icon at the top right, and it is going to show you this page. Here, simply navigate to Photo Settings, that is this gear icon, and it will show up this page where you'll have to simply click on this backup option. Now, simply toggle this switch off. When you toggle the switch off, your backup and sync will stop working. With backup turned off, select the photos you want to remove. So we'll navigate back and I will select these pictures. Now, I will click on bin icon, delete these photos, and I will navigate to collections and click on bin icon. And as you can see, these photos are deleted, but they are still in bin. Now, I'm going to simply select them all, click delete and click allow. After this, these photos will be deleted from photos, but they will appear in my gallery. As you can see, I have these photos in my gallery, but they are totally deleted from Google Photos. Now, if you turn backup on, Google Photos may re-upload those photos. Only enable backup if you are okay with that. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.